how to find vacation rentals on Kayak Stays. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up your Google Chrome and head over to kayak.com. Now go to stays option and then just put in your destination, your check-in date and your checkout dates, the number of room and set the number of guests and then hit search. And here it will load the stay results. Now you can see various filters up here, so you can apply filters to match your budget. So you can increase or decrease the price according to your wish. And then you can tick on properties without prices if you want to. You can tap on freebies that you want. You can choose the amenities and then hit apply. And then it will give you a list of results. You can compare the one that you want and just confirm it by tapping on view deal. So this is how you find vacation rentals on Kayak Stays. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.